Hello, this is Ketan Acharya from digimedias.com. Digimedias is a software development company in Jamshedpur. You can contact us for custom and out-of-the-box design and development of any kind of website and Android application. For more information, kindly visit our website. Now, let me explain why creating an Android application is very beneficial for your business and how planning and building it is not as expensive as you might think. Huge companies are investing and producing new Android smartphones with new technologies every month. Many of them have already started the mobile manufacturing industry in India, while some others are starving to keep up. The question is why? The answer is simply the ever-growing Android mobile user market. According to our research, there are 3,750 lakh or more than 375 million active Android phone users in India alone. Without a doubt, Android technology is the best and cheapest way to reach millions of people. An Android application helps to automate business effectively and definitely adds reputation to your business. According to TechCrunch, consumers spend more than 80% of their time on a smartphone using mobile apps. It is advantageous for a business to own a mobile application. Nowadays, people use smartphones because they have intelligent technologies and they consume less time. The goal of every business is to increase the number of customers, make its brand more popular, and enhance its sales and revenue. A mobile application is capable of doing all these and help businesses find multiple growth opportunities and generate huge income. Mobile applications act as great marketing tools and help your business to stand out from the competitors. With Android application, you don't need to invest in newspaper promotions, posters, pamphlets, and brochure, etc. because the app is capable of performing all these tasks quite efficiently. Unfortunately, even medium-sized companies aren't able to afford the cost of building their own mobile applications. In Digimedias, the initial cost of creating an Android application is less than 5,000 rupees, but it can go up based on your requirement. It is not possible to predetermine a fixed amount for an app development. We can only give you an estimate because each app development process has a number of factors that collectively affect the final cost. Some of the main factors that affects the investment required to develop an Android application are as follows. If you expect your application design to be the best and most effective, then you will have to make quite an investment. But choosing a nice and simple user interface will reduce your total cost. So if your budget is limited or your business is dependent more on its usability and not on design, then it is advisable to keep application design at mid-level and not to over-invest in the design initially. Another important factor that greatly affects the cost of an Android application is the number of features you want in your app. Features like GPS position, OTP verification, and push notification, etc. can increase your cost by 20 to 30%. It's true that sometimes features like the push notification is vital for certain industries. Like if you are a pharmacy and your mobile app is designed to alert users when their prescription are ready, then not having push notifications feature would defeat the purpose of your app. But most businesses do not require this feature much. So pay attention to the feature your application really need and try to use only the minimum number of features. Nowadays, Android applications are used in many devices like television, tablets, watches, and mobile phone. If you want your application to be used in as many devices as possible, then application developers have to design the same application differently for each device in proportion to the screen size of each device. If it is not done this way, users will face issues and this will lead to an increase in investment for the development of the app. The solution is to decide the users you want to target based on the device they use. Before you start building an application, sit down with your Android developer to make sure you check each application's features and requirements. Determining the utilities early on is always cheaper than adding a new feature in the middle of the application development process. Software developers prefer precise technical specifications. Before you start developing a mobile application, just list the requirements as detailed as possible. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.